Thank you for choosing our light up ball. Let me tell you how to install the light set. Step 1. Please prepare the transparent tube and the 3 batteries. Put the batteries into the tube. Step 2. Put the transparent tube into the LED set. Step 3. Put the LED set into the light holder. If it doesn't fit well, please deflate the ball properly. Step 4. Use the tool to insert the edge of the cap into the light holder first. And then press the cap gently. Step 5. Follow the above steps to install the other light set. Step 6. Inflate the ball properly. Okay, good job. Enjoy to play your unique light up ball.